Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to extend your C drive. First, right click on my PC and select disk management. You can see it is you can see here my C drive is 99.14 GB. Now I am extending 50 GB more. First I am creating extra partition of 100 GB. Now I am opening calculator. You can see 150 GB into 1024, 1,53,600. Now enter that value here. Then click on shrink. You can see 150 GB is unallocated. You can see here local disk D has 48 GB. Then click on new simple volume, then next, finish. Okay, then this is our new partition. Now I am closing. Opening this PC, local disk D. Here you have all your data. Then copy all the data to new drive. If you don't want to lose data, then back it up to new drive. You can see it is completed. Then go to D drive. There is nothing. All the data backed up to new volume E. Right click on this PC, manage, device, disk management here. You can see local disk D. Now we want to delete this. Click on delete volume, then yes. You can see it is unallocated. Right click on local disk C, extend volume, then next, finish. Now it is finished. You can see new volume E. The D drive is deleted.
To change your